First, extract the zip file. You can download it using the link in the video's description below. I have added both Premiere Pro template and a green screen template. Now, let me show you how to customize this template. Import any video and follow the steps. Locate the extracted folder. Click on the template and go to Essential Graphics to edit it. To resize and position the template, click on the template and go to Effects Control. Rendering the project for smooth play. You can use same procedure to edit the other templates also. To learn logo intro video making, click the video on screen now.